Justin Bieber gets soaked playing soccer in the rain. Was Selena Gomez there? Justin Bieber's keeping fit, rain or shine. The 24-year-old got drenched in a downpour while participating in a game of soccer in Los Angeles on March 10. The weather conditions didn't seem to bother him as he ran around the field in a hooded sweatshirt, navy Adidas jersey and matching shorts. He also rocked a pair of neon yellow cleats for the sporting event. Check out the photo from the game here. While the singer's on-off girlfriend Selena Gomez has cheered him on during various hockey games since reuniting in October, she unfortunately wasn't seen on the sidelines at this particular match. Her absence comes on the heels of a report that the couple have been taking time apart from each other. They were having a lot of little disagreements recently, and one fight in particular blew up and caused them to decide to break up. However, they've been in contact the entire time and their feelings for each other have not changed, one source told E! News on March 7. They will absolutely get back together and they are not over, but they both need some time away from each other. Sometimes we need some time to ourselves. That's perfectly healthy and there's no shame in spending time apart. While they may be spending less time together, the two songbirds were spotted at church together after the report came out. While they did leave separately, church dates have been a staple in their rekindled romance, so it's entirely likely they were there as a couple. We've also been hearing that finding a balance between time together and apart is just part of the pair's dynamic. When they are together it starts out great, and when they aren't they always miss each other, but they also want their own lives.